Subject EVS Standard 2nd. Hello dear students, I am Asma Khan. In this video, we will learn natural resources. We use many things in our daily lives. Some of them we get from nature, while some are made by man. All those things which we get from nature are called our natural resources. Man-made resources, the things which are made by man are called man-made resources. We have seen that there are different landforms on this earth. The air in our environment, the water, plants, birds and animals in nature. Can human beings make these things? No, humans cannot make them. These are natural things. They are part of the nature all around. So, they are called natural resources. There are many things that humans can make. They are called man-made resources. The things we create for our use, comfort and convenience are called man-made resources. Let's see natural resources. Hills, forests, rivers and seas are natural resources. We find water and ocean, sea, river, stream, lake and ponds. There is more water on the earth than land. All these water bodies are very important to us. We get seafood from the ocean and seas. We also use these water bodies for transportations. Many kinds of rocks, minerals are found on the earth. Rocks. The hard matter on the earth's surface is called rocks. Children, you can see in the picture. Yes, this is rocks. The hard matter on the earth's surface is called rocks. They are different in nature, size, shape and color. What can you see in the picture? Yes, soil. Rocks break up and turn into soil. There are many kinds of soil. Vegetables, grains, pulses, fruits, cotton, nuts and many more things are grown in soil. Now, next natural resource is forest. Forests are large areas and covered with lots of trees, plants and shrubs. Wild animals like lions, elephants, tigers live here. Forest is our natural wealth. We should not destroy trees. Let's see next natural resource is air. Air. All living things need air. We can live without air? No. We also need air. All living things need air, like man, animals and plants cannot live without air. Whether we are awake or asleep, we are breathing in and breathing out air. Air is the important natural wealth. Next natural resource is water. All living things, man, animals, plants, cannot live without water. We find water in oceans, seas, rivers, and ponds. Children, what can you see in the picture? Yes, rain. Our main source of water is rain. Water is brought from distant, like through pipes, into the city. We also get fish, other foods, and salt from the sea. We also use the water bodies for transportation. These are the natural resources we get from water. Children, now can you tell me plant is living thing or non-living thing? Yes, you're right. Plants is living thing. Plants are living things. Some plants are big like trees. Some are small like shrubs, herbs and creepers. We also have dense forest of various types of trees. What we get from plants? Can you tell me? Yes, you're right. We get vegetables, fruits, flowers, medicines, so many things from the trees. Trees also give out oxygen and purify air. So plant is one of the important source of natural wealth. Okay, now let's see next natural resource is animals. Children, can you tell me what we get from animals? Yes, you are right. We get milk, egg, meat, wool from animals and birds. The skin of some animals like cow, sheep, buffalo and goat are used as leather for making leather items. You can see in this picture also. We are using shoes, shirt. So this one is making for from leather only. So these things we are using in our daily life, and these are the important natural wealth that we get from animals and birds. Children, can you tell me what do you mean by man-made resources? Yes, the things we create for our use, comfort and convenience are called man-made resources. Man-made resources means what? Something that has to be built by people. Okay, children? So man-made resources, man with his intelligence made a lot of things from the resources he got from nature only. Man also made machines, furnitures, clothes, book. So children, what did we learn today? We learned natural resources. Natural resources means we get from nature only. And what? Man-made resources. Man-made resources means what? Man with his intelligence made a lot of things from the resources he got from nature. So today we learn difference between natural resources and man-made resources. We use many things in our daily lives. Some of them we get from nature, while some are made by man. All those things which we get from nature are called our natural resources. Man-made resources, the things which are made by man are called man-made resources. Now let's see points to remember. First one, there are two types of resources available. First one is natural resources and man-made resources. Now children, I will ask you few questions. Okay, now you will give the answer. My first question is, what are natural resources? Yes, tell me children. Yes, you are right. Those things we get from nature. It's called as natural resources. For example, plants, animals, rocks, air, so many things we seen, right? Now next question is, what are man-made resources? And give three examples. Yes, there are many things that humans can make. They are called man-made resources. For example, machine, furniture, vehicles, toys, etc. Very good. Now my next question is, name the things we get from water. Yes, we get fish and others food and salt from the sea only. Now next question, what do animals give us? We get egg, milk, wool made from animals. Very good, children. Now your homework time. Now first question, write true or false. First one, humans can make living plants and animals. This sentence is true or false? Yes, you are right. Humans cannot make living plants and animals. So what will come? False will come. Now next question, plants, animals and the different land forms are a part of nature. Yes, all these are natural resources. So what will come? True. Next question is, natural things make our surroundings untidy? No. So what will come? False. Now next question is, a tree fallen across a small river is a natural bridge? So you will write the answer. Now next question is, tick the things that are not made by human beings. First picture is train. So this is natural resources and man-made resources. Yes, if natural resources, so what you will do? Put tick. If man-made resources, so what you will do? Put cross. Very good. Second picture, bird. Third picture, light. And the last picture is what? Water. So take the things that are not made by man. Okay. Next question is, tick the man-made things. So see the pictures and tick the man-made things. I hope this video is better to understand the natural resources and man-made resources. Thank you.